Hello children. Today in 4 operations chapter we are discussing about the subtraction. Okay. Subtraction, we use the symbol minus to represent subtraction, and here in subtraction, for example 34 minus 12, suppose we want to subtract, the difference will get 22. Okay, here we call this 22, that is the result of subtraction, we call it as difference. The result of subtraction, we call it as difference. And the number from which we are subtracting 12, we call that number as minuend. And we call this 12 as the what number we are subtracting, we call that number as subtrahend. Okay, remember these three: minuend, subtrahend, and the result of subtraction, we call it as difference. Now if you want difference, we have to subtract minuend and subtrahend. That is difference equal to minuend minus subtrahend. If we want subtrahend, if we want 12, 12 is nothing but 34 minus 22. That is, if you want subtrahend, subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference. Subtrahend equal to subtrahend, if you want subtrahend, which is equal to minuend minus difference. Minuend minus difference gives here subtrahend. If you want minuend, okay, any problem, if you want minuend is nothing but subtrahend plus difference. These two we have to add. 12 plus 22 gives 34. That is, minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Minuend is a bigger number. If you want bigger number, we have to add subtrahend and difference. If you want subtrahend, then we have to subtract minuend and difference. Difference is nothing but minuend minus subtrahend. You know this one. Okay. Now while subtracting, the digits in the same places must be subtracted. Ones place below, ones place, tens place below, tens place we have to write, and we have to subtract. The digits in the same places must be subtracted. We will subtract bigger. Okay, we will subtract here smaller number is 12. We subtract smaller number from bigger number. And while subtracting, this one is important, digits in the same places must be subtracted. Let us take one example. For example, if I want to multiply 32,451 from this 9,266, suppose these two I want to multiply. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s are there, here up to thousands. Now write the numbers one below the other such that ones place the digits should be, okay, digits in ones places below. 6 ones place, 6 again tens place, 2 hundreds place, 9,000s place. Like this you have to arrange the numbers. Okay, below the same places, the digits in the same places only you have to subtract. Now difference 1 minus 6 not possible. I am borrowing 5. Now 11. 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 if we subtract, then we get 5. Now it is 4. From 4 we cannot subtract 6. I am borrowing 1 from hundredth place. Now 14 tens are there. 14 tens minus 6. 14 minus 6 if we subtract, then we came to know 8. Okay, 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here only 3, 1 already we borrowed. 3 minus 2, 1. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 9, again borrowing. Now it is 12. Now see, 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay. Now from 3 already one borrowed, left with 2. That is 23,185. What is the number we got? 23,185. This is how from bigger number we have to subtract. and digits in the same places we must subtract. Now we will see some more problems, that is missing digits. How to find out the missing digits. Let's take one problem. Eight, 9, 0, 0, 8, 0, and here some digits are missing. We should find those. Difference given as 5, 5, 5, again blank given 8 and blank. Okay. Minuend given, in subtrahend some digits are missing, even in difference also some digits are missing. Now 0 minus 5, is it possible to subtract 5 from 0? Not possible. Then we have to borrow. Carry subtraction here. Now 1 I am borrowing from 8. Now left 10 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 7 minus 9. Again not possible subtraction. I am borrowing from this 9. Now 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Already given. Now middle zeros we know it, they are 9s. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus which number? 9 minus which number gives 5? What we want here, minuend given, we want subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend is nothing but minuend minus difference, that is 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 4 gives 5. Now here left with 8. 8 minus which number gives 5? Here also subtrahend we want, minuend minus difference, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is how much? 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, that is 8 minus 3 gives 5. Now from 8 what we have to subtract again to get 5, that is 8 minus 5, that is again 3. Okay, this is how we subtract, by using minuend, subtrahend, different, the relation, by using that relation. Let's take one more problem. Zero, 1, 0, blank, 9, 6, 3, 8, blank, 6, 4, blank, 2. Now the difference they get 0 and again blank given, 3, again blank given, 0, 4 and blank given. In this problem, minuend, some blank digits are there to find out, in even in subtrahend and even in difference, all the 3. Now here see, first ones place, starts with ones place. 6 minus 2, difference, 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 9. Now we want subtrahend. Subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference, that is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. That is 9 minus 5 gives 4. Now we want minuend. Minuend is nothing but what I told. Minuend is nothing but subtrahend and difference, both we have to add. 4 plus 0, 4. That is 4 minus 4 gives 0. Then again 0, from 0 we cannot subtract 6 here. We are borrowing, that is 10 now. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here it is 0. From 0 we cannot subtract any number, any digit we cannot subtract, and we should, if I subtract 0 again, I won't get 3 here. Therefore we have to borrow. This is 0, from here I am borrowing from this number, and now it is 10. 10 minus which number gives 3? 10 minus which number gives 3? To know that number, subtract the 10 and 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 7 gives 3. Now it is middle 0 becomes 9. 9 minus 8 gives 1. Now to know this number, that is this number, this digit is minuend, no, this one. Minuend is equal to 3 and 0 we have to add. 3 plus 0, 3 only. But here one already borrowed from 3, therefore we should write here 4. We already borrowed 1 from 4, now left with 3. Already borrowed, now left with 3. 3 minus 3 gives 0. This is how we have to find out the missing digit using the relation. Okay, relation, that is, if you want minuend, any one of the digit if you want in minuend, then add these two. If you want subtrahend, minuend minus difference. If you want subtrahend this digit, minuend minus difference. This relation, using that relation, easily we can find out the missing digit. Now word problems related to addition and subtraction we'll see in the next video. Some important word problems. Okay, thank you.